What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're an online marketer that's struggling to get leads to your business, to get the amount of exposure that you need to be able to have your business to grow, well, you came to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a little strategy that I use with this SMS marketing tool called SMS Phone Leads. And SMS Phone Leads is a tool that you can use to send and receive text messages by sharing a phone number to be able to have leads, be able to reach your funnel, and that way it can be presented with your opportunity. Now, it's different various of ways that you can use SMS Phone Leads, and usually I use it with certain classified ads. Now, this particular SMS marketing tool is similar to text by AI. Now, the only thing with this is it's just a one-time payment of $10, just $10, just to be able to get this funnel. And there are also upgrades that you can be able to purchase, to be able to get the best out of this tool. But for right now, we're going to be showing you, I'm going to show you step by step of what I do to promote SMS Phone Leads. And ever since they had upgraded, it had very, very good special offers that I've been seeing, and I see a lot of people, they talking about it now, in the in the feeds and everything like that. And I love to see, whenever a business has got longevity and they're actually moving and they putting different features that could be able to help a marketer. That is the one I admire the most, is when you have tools that could be able to help you succeed. So that's what I like about SMS Phone Leads. It's the product that it has, all the features that it have to be able to promote this funnel, to promote this system, and that's a step-by-step guiding tool. If you scroll over to the quick start menu, you can be able to see a start guide that gives you videos on how to get everything set up. Now, you must, in order to be able to promote SMS Phone Lead, you must make sure that you have a Stripe account. That's in order to get your affiliate marketing link. You must have a Stripe account. And once you have a Stripe account, then SMS Phone Leads will present you with your referral link, so you can be able to promote this system. So also, with just like any SMS phone service or tool, you must purchase credits to send and receive credits. You must be able to purchase them. So that's a must. But that's one good way you can get started. So I'm gonna show you what you can do with a site that I use to be able to promote my SMS Phone Leads. And this is very, very cost efficient. You don't have to worry about spending an arm and a leg if you don't have money for paid ads or solo clicks, or things of that matter of paid advertisement. For those that got a minimum budget, this is something that could be very, very helpful for you. And I post on site called, where you all know about it, is Craigslist. Now, the reason why I love Craigslist in a way, because I could be able to promote a phone number. I could be able to promote the assigned phone number. Once you get signed up with SMS Phone Leads, you'll be able to be assigned to your own personal phone number. You can use this phone number to promote anywhere you want. But today we're going to be using it in Craigslist. Now, in Craigslist, all you have to do is, you create a posting. This is what I would do. Create a posting. You pick the city that you would like to post in. And what you want to do is you want to come over to service offered. Then you want to go over and post to small biz ads. Okay? This is the area where you want to be able to promote at when you're doing make money online, work from home opportunities. And this will keep you pretty much in the safe zone so that your ads don't get flagged. Because most of the time, if you used to promote in a job area on Craigslist, that's not really a job. That's, sales, make money online. And sometimes, users will be up there and they'll flag you or you'll get ghosted. So the best thing to do is stick around the small biz ads. Now, these ads only going to cost you a little under $5, depending on the city that you posted in. You're going to be paying like $3 to $5 within the ad. So that's very, very cost efficient. And just to be able to promote to multiple cities and be able to get that attraction, that will be, just brilliant, to be able to get those, get those leads, through Craigslist. And, Craigslist is still effective. It's still effective. Lots of marketers still get leads with Craigslist. All right. So, you're going to be able to put a title, let's say become a sales rep, full training provided. You're going to put the city and you're going to put the postal code. Now, to get those postal codes, what you're going to do is just go to, look up on Google, the postal code for whatever city that you want to post in. So that way that, the AI will read like, okay, you're not posting just anything in a certain city and it's the wrong city. And you know how that goes with the, technology. And, you don't want to be able to, that's another way to get your ad flagged and ghosted. So make sure that you find out the research of the postal code of whatever city that you plan on posting in. After that, you want to put a short description, and the reason why, because, users don't want to be seeing long posts. That's one way people just skim through your ad, and, they don't want to be reading that, all through. It's just a lot for the read. It become overwhelming if you got a lot, too much, in your description. It's complex, so you don't want to do that. So, you want to just, use something very short, like, you could say, earn daily with this simple system. And you want to make it readable too. So usually what I would do, I would skip lines within my description so people could read it and everything don't be cluttered. And you don't have to use word for word. I'm just showing you an example of what you can use to be able to post, and so you can be able to broadcast in an efficient way. All right. Earn daily with this simple system. Work your own schedule. Must have an internet connection. For info, text, and you can have them to text a certain word, like text cash to 555 555 5555. Okay, so this is very, very simple. Now what you want to do, you want to leave some type of curiosity. You don't want to put the name of what you're promoting, just to leave curiosity, for people to go through and actually text that phone number that was assigned to you. Now this particular, whatever number that SMS phone leads assigned to you, that's the number that you're going to put in Craigslist. All right. And I'm going to show you where you could be able to buy custom phone numbers. Okay. And also in the system, you could buy mobile leads as well. So that's very powerful too. Okay. You see right here, buy SMS phone lead numbers. When you scroll over to extras and you click on that, where you could buy additional numbers, and usually like $3 a month, and you get those, you get different numbers that you can promote different opportunities. So that's something that, I really love about it. And over here is where you buy your SMS credits. So, if you want to be able to add more credits, so like I said before, you want to be able to send and receive text messages, you're going to need credits. So that's the area where you pretty much buy your credits at. All right. Like I said, with this SMS marketing tool, it's a business in the box itself. It's only $10 to sign up. Like I said, there's upgrades to show you. Now, you can see right here the upgrades. Just think, you can make up to $225 if you sell all of these products. So you come in at $10, and let's say someone comes under you with 10 and they purchase a $39 a month, or the $207.99.77 upsell. All in general, just by one sale, that's just $225. This system used to be $37 just one time, but the owner, had brought it down, just to make it more cost efficient, for people to, be able to sign up. So it's really no excuse, not to, be a part of this, and, they have revamped it. I love the updates that they have in there, and, it pretty much helped me out. I have gotten many sales with this program, and just in a short period of time, and you get paid all in the same day. This is no monthly fees like majority of SMS funnels. That's why, if you're a beginner, it's good to start off with something like this, where you can be able to get in. It's beginner friendly, and you don't got to worry about the hassle. So if you want to get started with me with SMS Phone Lead, the link will be in the description below. Make sure you check that out. And if this video does some good to you, please hit that like and subscribe button to this channel. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any questions about SMS Phone Leads, you can also hit me up on Facebook, and you can email me. All that will be in the link in the description below. All right. So that's all I had for you today. This is 𝗖cie with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.